guy, it's time to end your life and give us back the water. My people coming.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James.
Hey, if you want to make a movie in 2026, remember this domain, Higgsfield.ai, because now you can actually make a quality movie by AI totally. And if you're very interested in money, you can also earn some money by this website because Higgsfield is holding some of the competition of AI movies. You can actually make AI movies and get attention and also earn some money. Speaking of making professional movies, Higgsfield just dropped this completely new AI called Cinema Studio 2.0. Meet Cinema Studio now. This new AI is completely different from the previous version. Now you can generate videos and also images in a very completely different quality, and you can use this new generation, and also you have this simulator which simulates all the professional gears, for example like the camera, like the lens, also focal length. So now you can actually shoot movies at your home. I find a different combination of those gears makes different results. And you can type your prompt here and you can change the batch to different size, and you also can change the aspect ratio. And here we go, here's the Killing app. Now you can create your reference elements. So you can create different characters or different elements to build up the consistency of the elements or characters. That's so dope. Now let's just create some characters for our first movie, okay? So I'm go back to the Higgsfield.com and select the image, and let's use one of my portraits. And I also want to use the Nano Banana Pro, which is here, and I can type a prompt. So immediately I have this idea, maybe let's create something like in the desert, story happens in the desert, who held a beautiful girl and this guy trying to save her. And I see this guy, maybe just me, and let's just type the prompt. So here's my prompt, we'll come to copy my prompt. And let's change the aspect ratio because now it's just a photo of the character. And let's click create. And meanwhile, let's change the prompt to a beautiful girl so that we have our female character. Yeah, something like that. And I want to change the weapon to a gun. While we're waiting, why not create something very horrible? Let's create some evil guy. Yeah, and I'm changing the age of this prompt. And let's create. And I'm not quite satisfied with this character and how we do it. We can actually click here and click the regenerate, and also for the main character we can also regenerate it. Now we are on multitasks. So this is me. Okay, finally we have a bunch of the images that we can pick up. Now we have our evil guy, and we have a beautiful female characters. And also I have me here. I think I'm satisfied with it. It's even more handsome than me. And let's download all the images that we need. Alright, let's go back to Cinema Studio and we can create our character. If you click here and let's click the create new element and let's upload our image. And let's type our name, James G, and for the description, let's type a short description. Because we are required to upload multi images, so let's download this one. And also we need to make different angles of the different characters. But with Higgsfield, we're easy to do that. So let's just upload all the images that we need. And for this female character, let's click the ankles. This is something quite fabulous. Now you can just switch different ankle from here and you can generate an image. And let's also do this. Now let's do it for this old evil guy as well. Let's change a little bit the ankle and let's click the generate. And now when you have 3 images, you can click the create button. Congrats, we have our first character, James G is here. And let's do the same for the rest character. Okay, now we have 3 characters and we can select them and use that in our prompt, which is good. For example, if I just type the @ then the name will pop up. And for the video generations, we have this professional parameters that we can tweak. And let's just generate an image first. So my first prompt is James is running from evil guns. And don't forget to change the aspect ratio to 21:9 and to 4K. And for the grade, we can choose 4:4. And let's click the generate button. Oh man, what we got here, because we are using the grade functionalities. So now we have a bunch of the nice images that we can tweak. We can use them to generate a video. That's unbelievable. I'm speechless because in other app, you cannot do that, right? So this is where the grade functionality again. And this time let's generate single image. Okay, here we go. Now we have a single high quality image. You have more options, for example, like this relight. In fact, you can change the light, just simple as that. And once you change, you can click the generate again. You get a brand new image. But right now, let's just close it. I think now we're looking good. And if we click this animate button, we will animate this image to a nice video. Isn't that fabulous? And let's try to use this, click the 3D thing button. Okay, let's click the 3D thing. Now we are in the 3D studio. Oh my god, what's happening? In fact, now you can shoot different details. And once you click the generate, you will generate a brand new images. For example, like let's focusing on the hand of the character. Maybe let's shoot the foot, okay? And let's exit the studio. Wow, isn't that nice? Let's go back to image generation. Now we already generate images from our 3D thing. All right, now I'm challenging myself to make an AI movie within 8 minutes. So we are in a hurry. Let's go. Let's type another prompt. And after we change it, we can change the speed to custom, linear, slow motion, and we can change the duration. Now we have a freedom to create whatever we want in our dreams even. And let's change another prompt because we're in a hurry. Let's go back to image generation and let's type our prompt and let's change some parameters and let's click the generate, okay? So prepare some snacks because you can shoot professional movie at home from now. Oh, we have our images delivered. Oh, how do you like that? Oh my god, I got school bounce. And you can download it, or you can directly click the animate button, and you can just copy the prompts and click the generate to generate the same the content of the video. And let's create another image first. So our workflow is create image first and using the video functionality to generate videos. And at the end of the day, we can use some video editing tools to combine all the clips all together into a very cool movie. Let's animate this one, change the speed. Let's write a better prompt. Maybe I think for this clip, use the impact. Change the longer duration. Let's open the audio and just click the generate.
Hey, old Joe, give me her or you will be destroyed.
You brought a knife to a desert.
Sorry, I just want a little water. Sneeze.
You don't get to ask here.
What to do with her? Also, we got her boyfriend.
Kill her boyfriend slowly. She, feed her to dogs.
Run, little rat. Let's play the game.
Hey, old guy, it's time to end your life and give us back the water. My people coming.
Yeah, this is the result. I hope you like it. This is how you make a professional movie in the website of the Higgsfield.ai by using this Cinema Studio 2.0. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like today's content. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, hey! Don't forget to subscribe. James Shee's channel.